I'm presenting today Unit 1903 at 234 Rideau Street. So let's go and take a look. Let's look at the one bedroom, one bathroom unit. The unit is 1903. Let's go. Alvina Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert. I'm presenting today one bedroom, one bathroom, unit 1903 at the building of 234 Rideau Street. This condo is very unique because it has a divider, which dividing this condo on two separate bedrooms and a den and a dining room. So let's look at the unit and let's see if it is going to be your next dream home, or maybe it's going to be your investment. And with price of the rent growing exponentially in Ottawa, it's a very great investment opportunity because you potentially can put two students or two renters here. We have a full party room here. You don't have to be stuck in your condo. You can come here with your guests and celebrate whatever event you need. We have also here the full kitchen. We're on the floor where all the amenities are. We have a theater room here and a pool and a gym. So I would urge you to call me and come and see this unit. And here is a little overview of this unit. If you are interested to see this condo, please call me. My phone number is right here. Alvina Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert.